Hi, let's learn how to break a photo into puzzle pieces like this. For that, we need a photo and puzzle pieces. Now, you might wonder, where do we get these puzzle pieces? All you need to do is to go to commons.wikimedia.org and search for Jigsaw puzzle. I will leave a link to this page in the description box below the video. You can click on the link and download this image. The reason why I prefer this image is it is in SVG format. All you need to do is to go down, click on Open in Media Viewer, and then go to this option here called Download this file, and you will have this option to download the original file. You click on it and the download starts. Now you can always copy that, go to a new slide and paste it. Now the next step is to break it down into individual pieces. So let us right click on that, go to Convert to Shape, and you now have a collection of individual puzzle pieces, and this is exactly what we want for our effect. Now I don't really prefer to break my photos into these many pieces. That would be an overkill. So I prefer to break them into say 9 pieces. So I'm going to pick up the pieces from the center. So let me select this, hold the shift button down, select this, and this. Now let me press Ctrl C to copy it and then go to a new slide and then paste it over here. Press Ctrl G to group it, and then to have a square shape I'm going to just drag this around like this. Let me click and drag from the corner so you can clearly see the resolution of this. Now let us paste the picture we want to break into multiple puzzle pieces. Let me paste this here. I downloaded this picture directly from inside PowerPoint. You know how to do it, so I'm not going to waste your time on that. There are 2 ways we can approach breaking this photo into multiple pieces. The first way is just to retain this overall shape. Let me show you how to do it. But before that, let me create a duplicate so we have the original retained. Let us first cut this by right clicking and using cut option. And then you select all these elements and group them. Then right click, go to format shape, go to fill, go to picture or texture fill and click on clipboard. Now you have the picture broken down into multiple pieces. Now the only issue is all of these are grouped together and you don't have the option to remove these individual pieces. So if all you're looking for is just the look of puzzle pieces, then this is just the right one. Of course, you can go to shape outline and give it white outline, make these outlines as thick as you want. So the effect definitely looks quite attractive. But there are times that we want these individual pieces to be available to us, so we can use them in different ways. So how do we actually break a photo into individual pieces? It's very simple. Let me go back here. Let me place this right on top of the previous one, and to make it even easier, I'm going to right click on this and send it to back and then extend this like so. So can you see here? The portion that I want captured is here. So most of the areas of the photo are right inside the puzzle pieces. Excellent. Now if we had grouped this, let us ungroup it by going to group and ungroup option. All you need to do first is to select this photo, press Ctrl C to copy, and then hold the shift button down and then select the first piece, go to merge shapes and say shape intersect. You can do that by going to shape format, merge shapes and shape intersect. I prefer to keep merge shapes here in the quick access toolbar so I can do the work much faster. Then we need to press Ctrl V to bring back the photo again. Right click, send it to back. While holding the shift button down, let us select the second piece. Go to merge shapes, shape intersect. Ctrl V, send it to back. Hold the shift button down, select this piece, merge shapes, shape intersect. Can you see we have a beautiful image coming up made of multiple puzzle pieces? As we send it back, hold the shift button down and keep intersecting, we get some really interesting results. Now I'm going to fast forward this so you can save some time watching. So there we go, we have broken down the photo into multiple individual pieces. Can you see here? It really looks quite nice. I can change the background so you can clearly see the pieces that we have created for ourselves. If you want, you can always add an outline to these pieces by going to shape outline and using white outline option. Now, if you want to use this for morph, you can use that as well. I create a duplicate of this, and in the first one, I can move all these pieces out of the slide area. Let me go to minimize. And then I go to the second slide, go to transitions and say morph transition. I then go to the first slide, go to slideshow. On a click, you can see that various pieces are brought in together and it's a beautiful effect. If you like this creative idea, then you will find a lot more in our Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery program, which is arguably the most comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program available online. If you are a beginner and you want to strengthen your PowerPoint foundations, then Complete PowerPoint Foundation course is the right solution for you. Of course, when you get PowerPoint Mastery program, you get this program bundled into it. If you like this tutorial, then you will really love this other tutorial that we have put together called Beautiful PowerPoint Transition to show before and after scenarios. I will leave a link to this video right here now on your screen. You can click on the video and watch that video right now. It's a very short video of around 2.5 minutes, but you will really pick up a very useful technique that you can use in your next presentation. I'll see you in the next video.